RYOBI Link Lockable and Open Tool Organizer Cabinets Installation Guide. Carefully remove the product and any accessories from the box. Inspect the product carefully to ensure nothing is broken or damaged. Do not discard the packing material until you have carefully inspected and satisfactorily operated the product. If any parts are damaged or missing, please call 1-800-525-2579 for assistance. Insert shelf clips into slots in the interior of the cabinet. Make sure shelf clips are all on the same level. Insert interior shelf into cabinet by tilting shelf diagonally and placing onto shelf clips. Remove the adjustable shelf for easy installation. When mounting to a link wall rail, insert bumpers into round holes on the bottom back panel of the cabinet. With the help of one other person, carefully lift the cabinet and position the cabinet onto 4 of the raised octagonal patterns on the wall rail. To ensure the cabinet is seated properly, check that the holes through the back wall of the cabinet are lined up with the corresponding holes in the link wall rail. Insert number 10 screws into the holes in the back wall of the cabinet and into the holes in the link wall rail for extra support. If mounting directly to a wall, locate the studs behind your wall. Using a pencil and a level, mark 4 screw holes. The top 2 screw holes should be 16 inches apart on studs. The bottom screw holes should be 12 inches below the top screws. Using a drill, make 4 pilot holes, slightly smaller than the screws. Using a Phillips bit, install the screws through each of the pilot holes. Leave the head of the screw approximately a 1/4 inch off the wall. With the help of one other person, carefully lift the cabinet and align the keyholes on the back with the screws in the walls. Place the wide portion of each keyhole over the head of each screw. To lock the cabinet in place, slide the cabinet down until the screws are inside the narrow portions of each keyhole. Tighten screws until snug. Need additional help? Call RYOBI customer service at 1-800-525-2579 or visit ryobitools.com.